So, good day, ma'am. My name is Minsoli Sitating, and this is my own understandings to this subject. So, yan. So, sa 1835, revolvers talk of when Samuel Colt produce his version. Sa panahon gibali ni sa 1835 ni sikat ang revolvers nang naghimo si Samuel Colt ng iya version sa diri sa 1862 by Richard Jordan Gatling. The Gatling gun used a hand crank mechanism to shoot rapid fire machine gun. Sa diwali sa diri sa panahon ng 1862 gipakilaya si Richard Jordan Gatling ang Gatling gun, isang makina na gapabuto ng kakusog o kapaspas gamit ang hand crank. So diri sa 19th century assault rifle during World War II. So sa 19th century gasugod ang pagbuo ng assault rifle. Gigamit ini sa panahon ng World War II para madali ang reliable weapon. So diri sa firearm is an instrument used for the propulsion of projectile by means of the expansive force gases coming from burning gunpowder. Ang rifle tool sa paggawas ng projectile gamit ng kakusog ng force mula sa pulbura. Frame is the metal of the polymer housing of the handgun which hold Alight's other part. It is summed up as the body of the gun, and it's made up of the grip and trigger guard. So sa ini is an frame, amo ini ang lig-on na holder nga holder ng handgun ga support sa party ng ini kaan gun. The grip is the part of the pistol that the shooter holds. It has two sections, the front strap and the back strap. In semi-auto handguns, it houses the magazine which is inserted through the button of winning known as the magazine well. So ang grip and portion held na ng barrel ngani kay nakabutang ang magazine sa mga semi-auto na barrel. Trigger guard, a protective loop that surrounds the trigger to prevent the trigger from being accidentally pulled. It can be bicircular or rectangular. So ang trigger guard amo ini ang protection ng framework kung hain gapalibot ang trigger para malikayan ang accidental trigger. So magazine release the button or other mechanism of the semi-auto pistol which allow the operator to remove the magazine. A draft-free magazine release will completely eject the magazine when engaged. Ang magazine release button or mechanism sa semi-auto na barrel na allows na pagtanggal o paggawas ng magazine.